In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page Canva website. By the end, you'll know how to choose a starting point, build out multiple pages with a consistent look, add internal links, preview your site on different devices, and publish it so others can see it. Start by heading to the Canva website and logging in, or create a free account if you're new. On the home page, use the search bar to look for website and select the website design category. You'll see a range of templates, including some that already include multiple pages. Pick one that matches your style and purpose, or choose a blank canvas if you want full control. Before you dive in, think about your color palette and fonts so your site feels cohesive from page to page. To build out your pages, scroll to the bottom of the editor and click the Add Page button. Use Canva's drag and drop tools to add text, images, videos, and graphic elements. Keep consistency by reusing the same headings, colors, and spacing across every page. If you have elements like a header, footer, or call to action that should repeat, copy and paste them to each page for a unified look. To control how each page shows up in your site's navigation menu, click on the page and select the notes icon, then add a clear page title. Short titles like Home, About, Services, or Contact keep the menu neat and easy to scan. If you want custom navigation beyond the automatic menu, you can link elements inside your design. Highlight a piece of text or select a button, click the link icon in the toolbar, and choose the specific page within your document you want to link to. This is great for Learn More buttons, table of contents pages, or directing visitors to forms and galleries within your site. Before publishing, click Preview at the top to see how everything looks and behaves. Make sure the Include Navigation menu option is checked so the multi-page navigation bar appears. Toggle between desktop and mobile views to confirm that text is readable, images are sized correctly, and buttons are easy to tap. If anything looks off, exit the preview and adjust spacing, font sizes, or image cropping. When you're satisfied, click Publish Website in the top right corner. Choose your domain option, then select Publish to make your multi-page site live. You can return anytime to edit and republish, so don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. That's it. Thanks for watching.